Hi friends, welcome to Trivikram Study Corner. And in previous videos we will discuss about the important questions of physics. Now in this video we will discuss about the mathematics important concepts. Please like, share and subscribe my channel if you like. Next, in mathematics first chapter, real numbers. In this one the main important concepts are representation of real numbers on number line, and after that one finding the LCM and HCF by using the prime factorization method. Next, rational numbers convert into decimal using theorem. Next, prove that a given number is irrational. For example, square root of p plus square root of q is a irrational number, or root 2 is a irrational number, or 5 plus root 3 is a irrational number, like that. And next one is write in algorithmic form and exponential form. If they are giving in exponential form, you should write logarithmic form. If they are giving logarithmic form, you should write in exponential form. Next one is combining two log functions into one. And next one is expansion of log functions. These are the important concepts in real numbers. After that, second chapter, sets. Here the important concepts are writing sets in roster form and subset builder form. That means they will ask either ask the question, write the given set in set roster form or in set builder form. Next one is problems on equal sets. Next one, problems on subsets. Next one, problems on union, intersection and difference of sets. They can give two sets A and B and find the A union B or A intersection B or A minus B. And next one, they can ask the problems on A intersection B equals to, and the number of elements n of A union B equals to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B, like this questions. Next one is Venn diagrams, most important concept. Next one, third chapter, polynomials. In this chapter, finding the values of function at given value. That means they will give one function and find the value at p of 1 or p of 2 or p of 3, p of minus 1, like that. Next, check the whether the given values are 0 of the polynomial or not. That means they will give polynomial as well as one number, if that number can satisfy or not. Next one is finding zeros of a given polynomial. Next, finding the zeros by using the graphs. Next one is finding polynomial using zeros of it. That means they can give zeros, by using that one we can find the polynomial. Next one is finding polynomial using sum and product of zeros. They can give alpha plus beta and alpha beta, then by using those two values we can find the polynomial. Next one is division of polynomials. They can give two polynomials, one polynomial should divide with the other polynomial. These are the important concepts. Next one is fourth one, pair of linear equations in two variables. In this chapter, finding linear equations whether parallel, intersect or coincident by using the comparing ratios. A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2, that equals to C1 by C2. Based on that ratios, we can find the given linear equations are parallel or intersect or coincident. Next one is solving of equations by using graph, the most important concept. Here we will get the long answer question. Next one is algebraic methods. Here with different methods will be existed, substitution method or elimination method or reducing into linear equations method. These are the important concepts in fourth chapter. After that one, quadratic equations, fifth chapter. Here the important concepts are finding roots of equations by using factorization method. Next one is finding roots equations by using method of completing the square method. Next one is problems on discriminant and problems on nature of root. These are the four concepts important in the quadratic equations. In this one, the most important concepts are, for long answer, factorization method, completing the square method. Next one is progressions. In this chapter, first the arithmetic progression, geometric, two concepts are there. In arithmetic progression, they can ask to write any four terms, first four terms in the arithmetic progression. After that one, finding the respective terms of AP. For example, they can ask to find the 10th term in the given AP or 15th term given in the given AP, like that. After that one, determining AP when two terms in the AP are given. That means they can give the second term and 9th term, find the remaining AP, like that questions. Next, problems on sum of first n terms. That means they can give the number of terms and first term and the common difference. They can ask the sum of 10 terms or 15 terms like that. Next one, problems on first term and common ratio of GP, geometric progression. In this one they can ask the first term and common ratio problems. And next one, problems on the nth term of GP, that means what is the formula for nth term and what are the terms in it, like that. Otherwise they can give the common ratio and first term, they can ask the 10th term or 15th term, like that. These are the important concepts in progressions. And after that one, the 7th chapter, coordinate geometry. In this one the important concepts are problems on difference between 2 points. They can give 2 points and find the what is the difference between them. Next one is problems on collinear. They can give any 3 points and they can ask check whether those points are collinear or not. After that one, checking the given points are the vertices of a isosceles triangle or rhombus or parallelogram or square or any other quadrilateral. That means they can give, they can give 3 points, 3 vertices, you should check isosceles triangle or not. If they are giving 4 points, you can check rhombus or parallelogram or square or any other. Next one, find the point x comma y which is equidistant from 2 other points. That means they can give 2 points, for example 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 5. Find the another point which is equal distance from those 2 points. These type of questions will come. Next one, finding the point which divides the line joining 2 points in m:n ratio. In this one they can give the ratio and they can ask 1 point, or they can give 2 points and they can ask ratio. In these 2 situations they can ask. And next one, problems on centroid. This means the centroid formula. By using centroid formula you can find the centroid of a triangle. After that one, finding the area of triangle. In this method we can use direct method, half into base into height. And next one is finding the area by using Heron's formula. Heron's formula using only we can find the area of the triangle. These are the most important concepts of coordinate geometry. And thank you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. In next video I can upload the remaining important concepts of mathematics. Thank you.